espresso machine. Here we have a La Pavoni europiccola. This unit hadn't been used for several years, and when it was brought out of storage and used again, there was some problem maintaining pressure, which is pretty common in the La Pavoni. That just comes down to performing a tune-up, which is taking her apart and replacing gaskets in the steam handle, in the brew pad, on the sight glass, just about everywhere, which we've done. So let's lift the lever and run a shot. Just let the brew pad fill with water, and as you pull down, you push that water through the brew pad, and there you go.
Don't need to do it that often, to be honest.
La Pavonis usually give you about a 1 ounce shot. This is a 2 ounce glass, so it should go about halfway. But as you can see, there's good crema. It's coming out a bit inconsistently now because
that's the killer.
my guess would be that the espresso grounds are a bit too fine, so it's harder for water to push
And
through.
then they just
But
kind of like build up in there and everything.
as you can see, it's definitely able to maintain proper pressure and perform a shot. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.